So with HTML, you'll be able to add the image. So you see right here, I have a div with a class. I called it my div. You can call it anything you want. And right here on line 19, I have an image inside of that div, alright? So now I'll have to simply select .my div, and I have that already there. And I'm going to say img, and now we are selecting the images inside of it. So now what I can do is I can say, for example, border dash radius 50%. And as you notice, when you add this, it will look like an egg, but that's not what I want. I want it to be a perfect circle. So what you'll need to do is that you'll have to set the width and the height. So you'll have to make them the same. So I'm gonna say, for example, 140 pixels by 140 pixels. So you see now it's a perfect circle. So the border radius, so all you have to do is you set the border dash radius, alright, 50%. So now if you have more height, for example, if I make this one, for example, 160, you'll notice that it's going to look like an egg. So it's up to you if you want to make it look like an egg, or if you want to make it a perfect circle. So that's up to you. And right here, you know, you'll not only be able to apply this to images, you'll be able to apply this to divs. So you see right here, we have a div here. We have a div that contains the image. So I'm going to say, for example, my div. So I'm going to select that div. I'm going to say, for example, width. Let me add 300 pixels. So as you notice, you will not see it. So, oops, what happened to my colon? Alright, so width, colon, 300 pixels. And then let me add a background color just so you can see what's going on in the background. So you see that the background has been changed, and if you want to make it circle, all you have to do is you apply the border dash radius. So border dash radius, I can say, for example, 50%. And as you notice, it will be the same thing. So you see, it's the same thing. So we'll have to simply add the width. So I'm gonna say, for example, 400 pixels by the height, 400 pixels. And as you notice, we have another circle. So now we know how to circle divs and images using HTML and CSS. So I hope this video was helpful, everyone. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll help you all. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later.